This is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome once again back here to another video on Today with Mr. Quintero. We have exciting Mr. Quintero right here. And today's project,
my happy face.
Today's project, we are gonna work on a mug holder. He went ahead and did the first cut.
That's the base.
That's the base, because it's all about the base.
Ah, get on my head.
We have a helper today. This is what you have to do. So right now he's cutting. What are you cutting?
The base.
Another base?
Yeah, I'm pre-cutting all the bases because I already took
And
my
what is the
measurement.
size of this?
7 by 7.
7 by 7.
7 by 7, and you're using a. What is this machine called?
Piece of wood. Oh, the machine. It's I don't know.
Because you know, last time we used a
was
roar,
soft.
roar, roar. And today we're using a table saw.
I don't know.
We'll call it a table
I don't know
saw.
the name of the tools. I just use them.
So this
Yeah, it's
a 7 by 7.
And we're doing it at 7 inches, so we gotta put it right on the 7, right there. And then when you do that, the blade should come down right where the cut's at.
Look at that. And that is how you get a 7 by 7 base. And the thickness on this is probably what? Half an inch? Half an inch, guys. So these are all the base. 1, 2, 3,
9.
what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 base. And now he's working on the top part. That's gonna go right there. And that is approximately.
With the wood that I got, it's a 4.5 by 8 feet. But I'm doing the inner base so I can have an inch all the way around. I'm doing 4.5 by 5 1/4.
5 1/4. Awesome.
And it actually gives me an inch on one side and an inch and a quarter on the other side. But it leaves it right at the center.
Cool.
Go for it. Nope. Go all the way down. And that's how we dust off. Oh, you forgot you. Come on.
Okay, so after we dust off and he cleans this area, now we're going to assemble. I didn't show you guys how he cut these. These are the where, you know, it stands like this. And this is a what, baby?
13 inches long. It's a 2 by 2. Is it 2 by 2? I think it's 2 by 2. No, it's 1.5 by 1.5.
1.5 by 1.5. And then the length is
I did it 13 inches.
13 inches.
Because this way it holds 4 mugs. You want,
Yeah.
you know, you want it bigger, you add more.
And you can absolutely go bigger. It's all up to you. It
The
depends how
the
big.
bigger you go, the wider your base has to be.
Yeah. So it all depends how big you like it.
Because if you go taller and the more you hang up and you have a small base, it might tilt. I mean, it probably won't, but just to be safer, go a little bit wider. But yeah, go like that. It's gonna be center. It's gonna be center like that. And then you add all your little.
What are these called? I call them elephant hooks,
No,
but they're called
rope hooks.
rope hooks.
Rope hooks.
Rope hooks, and they're about 1.5 inches.
And when you do these, you gotta stagger them. Right, you gotta put one on this side, and the other one on the other side is gonna be a little bit lower. Remember, your mug is gonna hang. If you put in the same height,
They won't.
the ones on the sides won't hit. But if you put the ones
The
over
ones
here
on the bottom do have to go way
you
lower.
gotta go
yeah.
staggered.
So it's up to you. You want to stagger, or it's up to you. You want to make them even. It's all your design. That's how you personalize it and make yours.
I guess you could do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gotta do that. The one on the side is gonna be, you know, depending on your mugs, so it won't hit down here. You got a little bit of clearance room, you know, there. The one on this side could be the same height, whatever, but these gotta be higher.
Higher than the usuals.
But yeah.
Let's start assembling. So right now he just center it. And this is on the one that's gonna go on top of the base.
That wasn't going right there.
Right there.
The sides are 1.5 inches, and the other side is almost 2 inches, 7/8 right here.
Good job.
So I mean, but it's nice and centered. It's in the center of this piece of wood. We're supposed to be. So when I, you know, what I mean, if you're gonna measure it and staple it right there and then, yeah. But see what I do all this, all center. Come back and I put wood glue. So you can find your local Home Depot.
And he just does it. It's better for him this way. He gets a show me that hack.
What?
It's a Coke bottle.
Coke bottle with a little. You just get a tip
from
wherever.
What are those tips usually work for? Caulk, right?
No, I don't know.
Baking.
I guess you could buy them in your baking area or whatever. I don't know. Just I use it like this and then.
And then just better for him. And I love this hack.
I could, this bottle's running out, but got another bottle here. So then I just do this. Oh, I was gonna mess up again. Remember, Chico? You don't need a lot because this thing is strong. Wood glue is beyond strong. Make sure your cuts are always nice and straight. You don't want this thing wiggling around. You put the bad boy there. Press on a little bit. Where's my nail gun, Carlos? It's going off. Nail gun, Carlos?
His assistant.
Yeah, find your center, right in the center.
Whoa.
So you put like 2 or 3 so it can...
And it doesn't matter, right? Because that's being covered.
Hmm?
Doesn't matter if you can see those because that's going to be glued to the base.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that bad boy's right there. One thing, when it dries, like I said, our glue going nowhere.
And this is the nail gun you're using, right?
Yeah, it's a lower end nail gun. You can buy this at your Harbor Freight. It's a Central Pneumatic. It's like a $25, $30 gun, but I've been using it. I've been having it for
a while now. Yeah,
6 years, and the little bad boy has not quit on me.
And then you use a
same thing. Central Pneumatic. No, this is a Husky.
Oh,
my bad. I actually bought this one at a Home Depot. This is a Husky. You can see right there, Husky. It's a little good compressor. Been having it for about 5 years also, and it's good. Yeah, because these guns at Home Depot, they're like 100 and something, 80 something. Yeah. I was on a budget at the time. So
yeah. So we're hoping that you guys will just purchase one, so Mr. Quintero could get his high-end nail gun.
No, this one works for me. So now I did that. I shot it from the bottom, right? I shot this one from the bottom, so now I come back. The natural wood glue is sticking on it, so come back. They said I'm running out of glue on this one, but come on.
If you guys hear some crunchy noise in the back, it's not my kid that does not know how to chew. They're my dogs who are eating because it's eating time.
And like I said, you don't need a whole lot because this thing it'll be on there. Once it dries, if you try to take it apart, once the thing dries, you're gonna break the whole wood apart. Trust me. I know. So you put this bad boy there. Ta-da!
Wow.
Then, I mean, if I were you guys, I'm doing this because I'm showing you guys on the video, but I'm going kind of fast. But you flip it. I'm gonna put up the edge of the table. That's all you really need.
Wow.
I think I'm gonna go nowhere. Six nails. Cause see, the nails I'm using staples. They're an inch and
Oh yeah. So see.
they're going all the way through this one and halfway through this one, so that thing ain't going nowhere.
And you also get those at your local Home Depot.
Yep. Buy all this at Home Depot. Along with this bad boy. That bad boy is bad. So that's how you do it. You assemble it like that, and then you could stain it, paint it whatever color you want. And then after it's all dry, that's what takes the longest to the paint. Because remember, wood sucks in paint. So you gotta get one coat, let it dry, come back, hit it another time. It should be good with 2 coats. If not, you come back and touch it up one more last time. And then you come put your hooks.
Okay guys, so I have the task of painting the cup holder or the mug holder. The first one we did, he stained it, and that one's gonna stay here at the house. So I was thinking blue because, you know, my favorite colors are blue because of Dodgers. But I just told my husband maybe gray. I like how that gray is looking. So I'm gonna use this one, guys. It's called Pewter Gray, and let's go and paint the mug holder. Okay guys, so I went ahead and decided to paint this one gray. Look at how nice that came out.
I just thought of something.
Yes, I did too. Okay, so it can rotate like a lazy Susan. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put now the rope hooks. And so he starts from the bottom.
I'll go from the top because I know you want them higher.
Yeah, I do. So there, perfect. So the first one's gonna be first one is gonna be there. Ooh, it's nice. So we can't really tell you how to measure this. This is your preference. There's so many different ways of doing it. This one is going in my office. So
that's how it looks so far.
Look at that, how nice.
Ooh,
oh, I love it.
Fancy.
I'm fancy.
Okay, so the other one you wanted the same height as this?
Yes.
But on the opposite side?
Yes.
Or a little bit lower?
No, on the opposite side.
No, yeah, but opposite side lower?
No,
height?
opposite side, same height. And yes, guys, these are all ready to be painted to your liking. I will leave a link down below in the description box where you can go on my Etsy shop and order it.
Look, we're eyeballing again.
So this is how you're going to measure, guys. So it's very easy. You kneel.
Careful. Yeah.
You eyeball.
Behind you, 'cause I hit that. It scared me.
You kneel, you eyeball, and you drill. Very, very professional here at Quintero's workshop. It's very professional.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I put it there for a reason. Duh. That stupid bit. Oh, you hear my knees pop?
Yes, I did. You know, when you're just a tender age of 25,
yeah,
everything starts popping.
Sure, 25. I don't know, I like the other one I did. I don't like these hooks, but this is yours, so.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And you know what? I was just thinking right now, because you could get things in silver also, not just bronze. It'll look cute with silver rope hooks. But this will do too.
I mean, I could always paint them.
No, we're fine.
No, you know
we
what?
I
can't paint them because the
wear
wear and tear.
The wear and tear, yeah. So we could get, I mean, you could get them in silver if you want, or you could get them in bronze, and you get them in black. So we will have those options on Etsy, guys. So once you have that, ooh.
I'm gonna put some mugs in it.
So let me put some mugs in it so you guys can see how it finally looks. Like I said, this is just how we're doing it. You could personalize it your own way. You know, you can add the holder to be a color and the base to be another color. It just it's to your liking. So let's go add the mugs. And there you guys have it. Look at how gorgeous it looks, guys. So I added my mugs. Some the ones I'm gonna have at work are gonna have sayings like, you know, don't wake me up, don't talk to me after my coffee, and all those cute little mugs I like. But look, guys, how nicely they are. You could display your mugs, and you know, you get them for like Christmas or Valentine's, or it's the holidays right now. Right now, we're currently Halloween status. You could put all your Halloween mugs up. Very, very nice. If you guys want to get them in every color, go ahead, guys. You purchase those in every single color. Mr. Quintero's here to make your wishes come true. And don't forget, there's always a coupon in the description box, guys. So this is the final product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look down on the description box for any information you might want to have in regarding to making these. And until next video, bye guys.